No, with all these constant additions of England-born players getting their Jamaican passports and qualifying to play for the Reggae Boys, we understand that the big one, Mikel Antonio, won't be available until the qualifiers actually start. I am now getting worried for Coach Tapper Whitmore and the challenge he will face in the limited time to put all these new pieces together and make the team click. Remember now, when Leon Bailey said it was not good to chop and change and add 5 or 6 players to the team at one time, how it would affect team synergy, etc., etc. People say Bailey this and Bailey that. Well, see it now. It's more like 7 or 8 players to be added to the team weeks before the qualifiers start. And as we said, I am personally worried that the team will not settle in time and that when the qualifiers start, Coach Whitmore will still be searching for his best team and looking for his best tactics. I think we need to have a cutoff point where we say this is it. Unless Lionel Messi or Cristiano Ronaldo discover some Jamaican roots. We need to move from the player selection phase of the program to the tactics and team chemistry and execution phase of the program. Yes, chemistry. Not that kind of chemistry, no, not you joke out the argument, not that kind of chemistry.